Hello, Shwmai, croeso and welcome. My name is Carl and this is your weekly summary of stories from Good News Cymru. This is the place for you to come to discover and maybe even to share some of the inspiring and uplifting things that are happening across Wales. Social businesses, communities and volunteers, all of them stepping up and stepping forward in this crisis to make a genuine difference. Now, digital technology, without question, has been so useful at this time. But have you ever considered what it would mean if you did not have access to that kind of technology or you didn't know how to use it? Well, luckily, Scott Tandy at Newyddion Housing Association gave it some very serious thought. He was already responsible for an IT equipment loan scheme, and he saw potential to build upon that, to adapt it. He worked in collaboration with Glamorgan Voluntary Services and Cardiff Metropolitan University to vastly expand the scheme, and not only that, to provide additional help and support so that people got the best out of the equipment that they were using, helping them remain connected to those that they love and care about. Our very own Digital Communities Wales team has also been swinging into action. They've teamed up with the Welsh Government Hub to put a call out across Wales for Hub Heroes. Any children that you might know who want to share a digital cwtch, please go to the webpage and check out the details. We want children, whether they've got a poem, a picture, a positive message, a bit of music, a song, whatever it is, if it could bring a smile to the face of someone feeling lonely and isolated, then it's well worth dropping in a message. Now, transport in Wales is frequently an issue, but even more so now. If you don't have access to a car or public transport, chances are life is feeling really difficult right now. Luckily, community transport services in Wales are also stepping forward. Services in Llanwrtyd Wells, the Upper Amman Valley and Neathport Talbot with the Dancer community transport services, all of them are upscaling their services to ensure their members continue to receive medications, food, and are able to access other essential services. However, it isn't only community transport services these days. A new consortium of taxi drivers in Cardiff called Drive Taxis have all decided to put their resources together to give free shopping trips to those in need. Despite having lost their income virtually overnight in the current crisis, they've made use of their savings to support that, as well as providing cut price fares for support workers, carers and NHS staff. Now, the Good Wash Company, they have a little motto, doing good one wash at a time, except on this occasion, 4,000 at a time. The Good Wash Company have dispatched 4,000 emergency wash kits to every single NHS trust in Wales. But in addition to that, you can also help. They've launched the Diolch Bar, where for every bar of soap you purchase, they will gift another one. You can nominate anybody you like or request that it is gifted to the NHS or a local food bank. And finally, Amman in North Wales received a distress call from Ysbyty Gwynedd, and they swung into action at their makerspace in Porthmadog. There they have a 3D printer, and as you may have heard in the news, 3D printers have proved to be very useful of late. The problem, of course, is supplying enough raw materials to enable the 3D printer to do its job. So by coordinating with local businesses, local schools, they've managed to swing their 3D printer into full-scale production of protective visors to supplement the PPE equipment at the hospital. At the moment, they've produced 500 and still counting. So you see, from north to south to east and west, you, the people of Wales, are stepping up and doing what matters most. Please do visit the Good News Cymru page where you'll find full details of all these stories. And if you have a good news story of your own that you'd like to submit, well, you'll see a form on the page as well. But for now, take care, stay safe, please share this far and wide, and we'll see you next week. Hwyl fawr.